No. No. Wait. Fucking wait. Hold on. Fucking. Priscilla, thanks for the sub. Michael, how are you gonna show us a Raspberry Pi when you got this one shitty camera? Well, guess fucking what? Now it's a high quality production stream. Thank you everyone. Thank you, we appreciate it here at the high quality stream. And we have emotes. Did you hear about the emotes? We got fucking everything. Look at this. Boom, Raspberry Pi. This is fucking production quality. This is the production quality like you've never seen the likes of. Look at this. This is a Raspberry Pi. It's a single board computer. We're gonna be setting up the Raspberry Pi as a web server to take inputs from, you know, anywhere that we can send HTTP requests from. Thank you, Nevilchin, for the sub. Boom! Real streamer, epic streamer. So, Raspberry Pi, this is our single board computer. We wanna be setting this up, right? How much RAM does it have? Something like 4 gigs. Really good for something this size, right? So, wait. Did Sakuno give you those 2 subs? Or is he Scam Kuno? Scam Kuno. He's fucking Scam Kuno. Wait. I need a separate keyboard and mouse for this. So, well, thank you for the 1 gifted sub, KingVax669. Big Scam Kuno hours. So, when you get fireworks, get a crossbow and shoot people with fireworks. This would be the exploding kind, free AoE damage. I didn't know you could do that. It's badass. Ansel IV, thank you for the sub. Boom. Okay, this is the single board computer. I have burned the Raspbian image onto this small little micro USB. Thanks for the gifted sub, X Boobles. Boom. This little micro thing, fucking SD card. Tiny guy, right? This is the onboard memory. It's swappable. It's really cool. Thank you, PS Move, for the sub. Boom! Oh, I should change this to science and technology. Fuck. Wait. Look at Raspberry Pi. You guys like this, huh? Look at this fucking stream quality, right? Boom, I will change it. Oh, someone already changed the science and technology. Thank you. Let me change the title. Raspberry Pi go brr. Done. Alright. And all in the same time, we're just AFKing in Minecraft and we're getting creepers to farm. Creepers to spawn. Let's go back. Real streamer, by the way. Okay, so you power these guys with 5 volts. So, thanks, Gian Kid, for the sub. First time booting these up. I want a keyboard plugged into it and a mouse plugged into it. Fluffy Man, 1700. Thanks for the sub. So we got the Raspbian image on this onboard memory. Plug that guy in. We're gonna plug a mouse in. Thank you, Zenster. 20 for the 5 gift subs. Boom. Put that in there as well. That's all I need. And now Pat Polska, thank you as well for the sub. And then now we need a 5-volt power source to make it go brrr. We ever do a beginner's coding website? I think I just make tutorials on YouTube. 5-volt power source, right? Put the knife down. Take this. Pop it into the 5-volt power source, right? Why am I fucking showing you on that camera? This camera go burr. This camera is actually better than the web camera I'm using for myself, because this matters more. Thank you, NutriBullet, for the sub. Now, bitch. Okay, that's better. Plug that in. That's chill. Now, I need to get a monitor for this, so I'm gonna be using one of my monitors. And I need an HDMI cable for that. That's an HDMI cable. Thank Crossy for the sub. These little clippers, I got these in Japan from like a street vendor for like $5. They're like my favorite clippers. Put that there. The Japanese government did ask me why I had them on at the airport. Like I was gonna like do something dangerous with them. Like they're like, why do you have these and you're bringing them on the plane? I'm like, fuck, you're just like, what are you gonna do with this? Thank you, Diego, for the sub. Now, I take HDMI cable. I plug in HDMI cable. Thanks for streaming. I love your content. Thank you. I'm glad you're streaming this hour because late night go to. Yeah, this is my fuck sleep schedule, and it's not gonna change anytime soon. Okay, now I am plugging the HDMI into one of my monitors. Okay. Changing this monitor over to the Raspberry Pi input now. We're gonna power it up. Boom, look at that. Ooh. Power LED go burr. Go to HDMI 1 on this monitor. You guys cannot see this. I'm gonna get it working so you can. Resizing root file system. Fuck, I couldn't read that. Okay, Raspberry Pi is now rebooting. Thank you, GDude3 for the sub. It's booting up. Okay. Here, let me just. Fuck it. And let's. Well, what's up, Raspberry Pi? Come on. I'm gonna restart it. Number 2.0 with advanced mauling screens. Okay. Thank you, mods, for changing me over to science and technology. Is your middle name Trevor by any chance? It is. Unfortunately. Oh, ZZZ in Minecraft. Gotta sleep. Gotta sleep. Huh, it looks like there's something wrong with this Raspbian image. Huh, okay. Well, I can fix that. Maybe it's something wrong with like the partitions on this card. Because it had Raspbian loaded on it before for another Pi. So we couldn't find an input interrupt endpoint. Gamer fail. Was that from the me not putting the thing down? Yeah, that's fair. Didn't put the water down in time. Kind of cringe. Okay, Raspberry Pi. We got the login. This is taking a while to boot up. Mobile Twitch gang, where you at? Wait for the 100 bit. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Let me show you guys that. Thanks for the 5 gifted subs, Nevolution. This is the rat. Jesus, that sucks. Anyway, Raspberry Pi desktop. Don't worry, we're not going to be on this screen for long. God, that looks awful. Actually, yeah, we won't be on the screen for long. All I want to do is set it to boot to the terminal instead of this. I just never set up the graphic user interface. I'm gonna go down to, I think it's preferences, Raspberry Pi configuration, boot to CLI. There it is. Okay, boot to CLI. That's all I need to do. And then